Welcome to the in front of me Realme Narzo 50, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select where you want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with the new one to have a little bit more space to show you how you can do that. And after that, just here tap on the widgets icon, and here you'll see all the available applications which widgets you can add to your device home screen. After that, for example, let's just use the clock app. Here we can see that we have 4 different types of the clock. For example, let's add the this third one. Okay, we have this, so let's just add this one. So just to add the widget, hold this widget and then drag, for example, to this new screen, and after that we can see that widget successfully add the home screen widget. If you want to move this widget here on the screen, just hold it for a while and drag it, for example, to the down section. Also, we can move the widgets between the screen, and we can create a new screens. As you can see, that's so simple to do. Sure, you can add more widgets on one screen, that's not a problem. For example, we can add also calendar shadow, so hold the widget and drag it here. After that, if you want to just reset the widget, just hold it, and after that you can make it smaller or bigger. And to remove the widget, just hold for a while, and you'll see here the X icon. Just tap once on the left upper corner on the X icon. Okay, and now by this way we can remove our device home screen widget. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.